We lived through at least half a dozen of AI revolutions so far, each one promising to change the way we work.
But how many of them actually make it past a PowerPoint and show you something that works, something used by actual teams?
Exactly, that's why we stopped talking that the AI agents are the future.
We are showing you what's working right now. Real agents, already running in finance, bearing the brunt of repetitive and time-consuming work.
I'm Srđan. I connect tech to business results. You'll see how AI agents save time, money, and sanity.
And I'm Emanuilo, the guy who built the agents. You won't be hearing lofty promises. Instead, you will finally witness systems doing the work for real teams.
In the next 60 minutes, we walk you through how our AI agents actually cut hours of manual work into minutes.
Plus, we are doing a live demo of our AI expense analyzer, the same one that helped our finance team claim back their time, focus, and prevent burnout.
And if you've been wondering whether AI agents make sense for your company, this is where you'll get your answer.
Everyone who registers also gets a free 1-hour workshop, where we help you find your first real AI use case.
So, if you're serious about AI and done listening to the hype, join us December 4th.
See AI agents that actually work.